In today's video, join us as we lightning lane and virtual queue our way, that's right, 2 times in one day on Disney World's Magic Kingdom's brand new Tiana's Bayou adventure. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching.
So cool in here. Aww. Trying to get everything we didn't get in the lightning lane this morning. They're in the salt mine. They made it look salty. Yeah. Look, Money. I think you see down there. Yeah. No, it's like supposed to be salt. Like a salt mine. You may get wet. Tiana's adventure is a turbulent flume adventure with high speeds, heights, and drops and stops.
Yeah, it's there
Going down the bayou. Last chance to exit. This is when you come out of the salt mine. They give you last chance to exit if you don't want to get wet or if you're scared or something. Thank you. I'm so sure. You ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Come on.
I'll hold your hand.
You have to pull this down.
Okay, guys, I'm so scared right now.
We're going down the bayou.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Can you wave hi to the guys?
You don't have to scream yet. See, that one wasn't the bad one. It's so pretty. I love it. Wait, no. Tiana's food. Everything's so pretty.
Look out, Mike. Hey, y'all. Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
Look, Bonnie, over here.
Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
There's some more cameras right there. Look.
man she found can play. Hallelujah.
There's a few things I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
The fire's got just what we need.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
The ring is pretty. Her wedding ring is so pretty. If you notice. Look at Mama Opie.
Our little friends below are doing big things.
There's like 5 or 6 drops, and they get bigger and bigger. Bonnie, look at this one. The inside
I'll get you back the side. But invite your little friends to tag along.
Oh, this is the big one. We're going up. Ready?
You'll get there in no time.
Oh my gosh, we just keep going up. You ready? Here we go. Look, Lonnie. Look at Mommy's face. Okay. I'll try to figure it
Glad you could party. See y'all again soon.
But you were leaning down, so he's gonna try the pumpkin.
Will, what are you doing? I love it.
I show you.
I was doing that gold.
I think the lightning bug over it. It's better than that.
This is seven.
Like this rose. Yeah.
Oh, it's
I like
different
this.
colors. Purple. Red. And green. I almost want to get this. No, I'm not. So cute. Like a little saving tin thing for your coins. Got honey on it. How do you like it? Yummy?
I like the one billion, quillion, alien, trillion, billion, billion, billion.
So as my son goes on about how he loved Tiana's beignets, I did break down and buy Tiana's Mickey ears because they were so cute. So if you want to see more of our trip from Disney World this time, because we do get there pretty often actually, so just stay tuned. We visit the Art of Innovation where we stayed, and we also resort hopped to some other resorts and ate amazing food. We went to Disney Springs, and we also visit other parks. So I hope to see you in another video, maybe somewhere on your screen, but until then, be your own kind of beautiful.